In this video, I'm going to show you how to install XAMPP or Windows 11. So this should be a quick and easy process video. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into IT. So the first thing you need to do is to go ahead, open up your Chrome browser, and then type in install XAMPP. After that, click on the first link as you can see right now. So now just choose one of these three apps. These are basically versions of the same app. After you choose one, just click on download. After that, just give it a moment and download will start shortly. And after now the download has started, just give it a couple of seconds. As you can see, it's downloaded at the top right. So after the download has finished, just go ahead, double click the setup. As you can see right now, go ahead, double click on it, and the setup app installer will open up for you. So you can install the app. So let's go ahead now, minimize Google Chrome. And now as you can see, the install will start shortly. So just go ahead now, click on OK. Now just click on Next. After that, click on Next again. Then choose the folder, then click on Next. Choose your language, click Next again, and give it a couple of minutes to install on your PC. So this will check a couple of minutes. So after you have done that, the app now is downloaded and you can start using it on your PC. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.